Looking to shed some pounds and boost your health? Well, it's time to bid farewell to those pesky carbs and refined sugars. These culprits not only cause inflammation but also prompt your liver to produce more fat. Let's say goodbye to them and welcome a diet filled with wholesome foods that are low in carbs and sugars. Lean red meats. Opt for high-quality grass-fed meats like beef and lamb. Packed with protein, iron, and vitamin B12, they're essential for muscle growth and energy. Grass-fed meats contain higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which are beneficial for heart health and weight management. Additionally, these meats provide heme iron, a more readily absorbed form of iron, crucial for oxygen transport and energy production in the body. Kale. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse, offering more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, and more potassium than bananas. Low in starches and sugars, it's perfect for a healthy diet. Kale is also rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which promote eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration. Furthermore, its high fiber content aids in digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, making it an excellent choice for weight management. Eggs. These little wonders are rich in protein, choline, and lecithin, aiding in weight loss and cell growth. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids required by the body. They also provide essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health and immune function. Additionally, eggs are a versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into various dishes, from omelets to salads, making them a convenient and nutritious choice for any meal. Pecan nuts. With low net carbs and high soluble fiber, pecans keep your blood sugars in check and curb cravings. Pecans are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which have been linked to improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Additionally, they contain antioxidants such as vitamin E and ellagic acid, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Pecans are also a good source of minerals like zinc and magnesium, which play a role in immune function and bone health. Cheese, a good source of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Cheese promotes bone and brain health. Cheese is rich in calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, all of which are essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. It also contains vitamin K2, which helps prevent calcium from accumulating in the arteries and supports heart health. Furthermore, cheese is a source of protein and conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which have been associated with weight management and improved body composition. Cauliflower and cruciferous vegetables. Incorporate broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage into your diet for detoxification and fat burning. Cruciferous vegetables are rich in glucosinolates, sulfur-containing compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. They also contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health and well-being. Additionally, cruciferous vegetables are low in calories and carbohydrates, making them an excellent choice for weight management and blood sugar control. Avocados and extra virgin olive oil. Packed with healthy fats and nutrients, avocados and olive oil support heart health and weight management. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which have been linked to reduced inflammation and improved heart health. They also contain fiber, potassium, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in polyphenols and oleic acid, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It also contains vitamin E, which helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Butter. Opt for pure butter to keep your eyes, skin, and hair healthy. Rich in retinol, it aids in hormone production and fat breakdown. Butter is a source of saturated fat, which has been unfairly demonized in the past but is essential for hormone production and cell membrane function. It also contains fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, which is important for vision and immune function, and vitamin D, which helps regulate calcium absorption and supports bone health. Additionally, butter contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which has been linked to weight management and improved body composition. Mushrooms, low in sodium and calories. Mushrooms are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a nutritious addition to any meal. Mushrooms are an excellent source of B vitamins, including riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid, which play a role in energy metabolism and nerve function. They also contain minerals like selenium, copper, and potassium, which support immune function and heart health. Furthermore, mushrooms are rich in antioxidants like ergothioneine and glutathione, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Herbs and spices. Mint, basil, parsley, and turmeric are packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients, aiding in weight loss and blood sugar control. Herbs and spices are low in calories and carbohydrates but rich in flavor, making them an excellent addition to any meal. They also contain compounds like polyphenols and flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Additionally, herbs and spices have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to promote health and well-being. Incorporating them into your diet can help enhance the flavor of your dishes while providing numerous health benefits. Wild salmon. High in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, wild salmon supports inflammation reduction and cellular health. Wild-caught salmon is an excellent source of protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids required by the body. It is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which have anti-inflammatory properties and support heart health. Additionally, salmon is a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and immune function. Eating wild-caught salmon regularly can help reduce inflammation, improve cardiovascular health, and support overall well-being. Incorporate these foods into your diet to shed pounds and boost overall health. Don't forget to hit subscribe and share for more tips on living your best life.